Hello everyone and welcome to Suga's Kitchen. So today I am showing you the concept of recycling or reusing old things. So this door that you see here is a very old door which was in my ancestral home. It's about 50 years old, made of Burma tea, and it has retained the polish to a very large extent. So when we built the house in Yeligiri, we shifted it from Chennai to Yeligiri and kept it like in place along with the frame and the grill. So you can see the grill is the original grill, and even these locks, which door stoppers, are part of the door. So this recycling or getting things handed down or buying things that are old to replace what you need to buy is a good concept and saves lot of money, and is also a good idea to reuse and recycle. So let's go in and see what other things I have from my home which I've used here. So we have the window here. This window was in the veranda of our home in Chennai, and this is also teak wood with the original frame and the ventilator glass, which used to be very common those days. Then we have the bedroom door. As you can see, it's well polished. We have not really polished the door, but we have retained the polish, or rather the door has retained the original polish because the wood is so good. So this also has a ventilator. Those days they used to have a ventilator on top of the door frame, which is not common nowadays considering the urban lifestyle in homes. So with the padlock and the original latch, it has retained the original grandeur. It may not be a grand door, but it's an old door, and doors and windows in any home are part of, they let in fresh air, and then they protect our homes. They're the entry to our homes. So they have a lot of sentiment. And as you can see, this cupboard is also from my home, from our home in Chennai. And this was a cupboard there, which along with the frame and the original glass, we have not replaced the glass. So the whole thing is about 50 years old. And these run on reapers. Sometimes they get stuck, but it was always like that even earlier. So you just have to oil it a little along the reapers to let them run freely. So partly glass and partly wood, and with the original things. And these jardis belong to my grandmother and mother, in which now I make pickles and bottle them for sale. So first the pickles are put in the jars and jardis, and after they are soaked, I put them in the glass bottles. So they've come in very handy and very useful for me, because we grow a lot of mangoes and nartanga, the citron fruit, which they have to be put first in jardis before they are bottled for sale. And this is the strainer that was used in earlier times. You put it over the vessel and strain the water, but nowadays we use the pressure cooker, so we really don't use this, but I have retained it just for sentiment's sake, and sometimes they come in useful to strain certain things. So wooden planks for cutting ginger or pounding ginger, or small scraps of any food material that has to be smashed or squashed. So all these can be recycled and reused for many purposes. This is a plank which was used by my grandfather, prayer plank. So he used to do his puja sitting on this, and sometimes columns would be drawn on this for festive occasions. So these are like shaped like a leaf, and they were very much used at home for various pujas, Bhagavad Sevais and things like that. So we used to draw columns when we were children on this, and when the priest comes for any function, there were about 5, 6 which would be used as seaters. So old things can be recycled, reused. If you have anything from your old homes, take it down and reuse and recycle, or purchase from old places where you can find things. Now I'll show you the kitchen window. This kitchen window was in the kitchen of our home in Chennai, and this is the original door. Though not of high quality teak, the original mesh is still there, and this is the kind of door stopper that was there even then. So let's move on to the shed, and I'll show you a few more things that I have retained as part of sentimental value. Thanks. This is the security room where we have stocked some old things. Here again you can find a ladder that is almost 80 years old. So this was used by my grandfather for climbing and doing some repair work and all that. Now I use it for plucking pepper from my pepper trees. So this is the Sevanari. The other thing is gone, but the stand was there and quite nice in many ways. These are also puja planks of different shapes which were used by my grandpa and later by my parents, and now I've just kept it as a keepsake. So this one is really cute with a kind of double reinforcement, and those days when large families had lots of functions and priests used to come home and do pujas, this was all a part of the household. This is a foot locker. This foot locker was used by my father during the war years. When he was a soldier doctor in the war, he used it as for keeping his things, and this was common in those days for army people to use the foot locker. So now I have stocked a few of my things here, like my tailoring books and craft books and craft material here. So it's still strong. It's made of cedar wood, and I have the lock, but I have not used it. It's a very cute box, and 1945 war material. So these are nice things that I wanted to share with you as part of my collections. Thank you.